Yo, what's up? I'm in Kuta today next to Beach Walk and I'm gonna hit into Legian and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. By the way, very gold tip from me, from the experience. If you're thinking to park your car or bike in this area of Kuta, park in the beach walk. It's gonna cost you like $1 or less, depends how long you're gonna stay, but it's safe and easy access. And anyway, that's how it looks. The life here in Kuta is quite busy, like for the middle of the week. All right, let's start our stroll today, going from beach walk, which is this area, going to Legian. That's how it looks like. There are some tourists, but in general, yes, as you see, Indonesian tourists. Quite many bikes here. That's actually as pretty always normal thing. Quite busy, quite many cars also, and slowly gonna head into this direction, which is Legian. Now I need to cross the street somehow. I will try now to cross the street. Whenever you cross the street here, the people trying to speed up to hit you. That's normal thing. Yo, what's up? And that's how it is. Also, the entrance to the beach walk is quite busy. Really, I know it's still very quiet because in normal conditions to pass road from Kuta Square to beach walk, it's sometimes even 1 hour road, 1 hour drive, and now it's just 3 minutes, but still it's definitely much busier than a few months ago, even few weeks ago. So that's really good sign, very good sign. I'll just quickly jump to the beach and let's see how's the crack here. Actually, also not much is happening here on the beach. Still very bright. It's about 5 o'clock. If somebody will ask me what time is it, Damian, right now, it's 5 o'clock, so that's how it looks. But the beautiful color of the sky, beautiful weather, by the way, low tide. Over there, where is the white building, is the Discovery Mall. Some people here chilling, and that's usually here they are serve schools, but yeah, some of them they are open, some of them they are closed. So that's how it looks like. That's how it looks basically. Usually here, if you are familiar with the area, it's very busy, but not really today. Yo, what's up? How you doing? All good? All good? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Especially arak. Nowadays, everybody in Bali will offer you arak. If you are thinking like drinking arak, here we go. It's a good time. Now, here is supposed to be a warung Tsuchimata. It's open. I see someone inside, some lady, but yeah, it's hard. It's quite hard even to make a commentatory nowadays in Bali because, yeah, obviously you can compare. It's busier, more quiet. There is the Wina Holiday. Quite nice, famous hotel. Guys, honestly, every single day somebody asking us in the comment section on Instagram also when Bali will be open, because so many rumors around as Bali will be open in July, which is next month. I hope so it will happen, but it's nothing official and it's nothing confirmed yet. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, there is some magazine called Sanur Weekly, and I post 2 articles on Instagram. Just the pictures from the magazine, obviously, as that decision must come not from Bali officials but from the Indonesian officials. So the government, central government, not only government of Bali. Bali may be ready and the all government in Bali will say yes, open Bali right now, it's no problem. But if the official government of the country gonna say no, it's not ready, will be nothing open, and we have to wait for the official information. If something will be confirmed, because for sure they will announce something earlier or later, for sure I will make a special, even 1 minute vlog, just quick information. Yeah, Bali is open, or I'm sorry, Bali is closed, but we will see. I hope so will be open. I really hope so. However, please, we have to wait. And yeah, what I can say, it's so bright. Why my face is so bright? To the other part of the Kuta, also quite famous, little bit more local, little bit with the cheaper hotels around. And that's how it looks. There's some Warung taxi driver waiting for you to drive you around. Maybe even he will put the metro today because not many people. Maybe. In general, about the taxi drivers, I have so relation. I didn't use much in my life, however they always ask you how much you will pay. I remember when I first time come to Bali, I stay in Tuban, which is like literally not even 5 minutes drive, and I pay something like 300 or 400k, and then I called the hotel and they charged me the same, so that was rip off, but I didn't knew it then, I know it now. Anyways, here is some construction. Look at this truck, that's the actually trailer, and so many, yo, what's up? Everybody are happy. Check this out, these people. Everybody's happy people, even construction people. Back to the traffic. Yo, what's up? So actually back to the Bluebird taxi. Only once in my life I drive with the metro on, and it's cost actually quite cheap, but they don't wanna do it. So, and that's how it looks like in this part of Kuta. This is the Windham Garden. Yo, what's up? Bali boy. Yo, what's up? Now I'm passing the street and everybody asking me for 10,000 for some reason, I don't know why. Some sort of tax. At the front is the Stones, very famous hotel in Kuta, but actually already Legian. But yeah, today's video is about Kuta, but yeah, this is actually part of Legian. I think the Stones is already Legian. This is actually already Legian by the technically. Here is some I am rest area. Yo, what's up? Corn guy, tea, the dog guy. Everybody are happy. Anyway, somebody asked me about Legian, the Stones. Yes, the hotel is open. And they even have a quite nice promo, I think. Like every hotel right now in Bali, if it's open, they have a promo. Yo, what's up? This guy making picture of his motorbike, for example. Very nice. They chilling. Yo, what's up, brother? Welcome to Bali, yeah? I just realized as here I think is the villa, private villa or something. Never actually really focus what is here. Maybe hotel. Alam, cool. So yeah, basically technically it's already Legian. Oh, coffee girl. Hello, how are you? No, thank you so much. I didn't realize she's selling coffee. Yo, what's up, my friend? Welcome to Bali, yeah? That's how it looks live here. Also, here is the Pullman Hotel. Pullman, I think it's also open. However, less fortunate than the Legian Stones, the Stones Hotel. That's how it looks like. Like I said already, some people may say, I don't like Kuta, I don't like Legian. Some people said, I don't like Canggu, I don't like Seminyak, especially Canggu. Some people say, I love Kuta, some people will say, I love Canggu. But definitely people, random people, the workers, everybody are much more friendly to you in Kuta, in Legian, than in Canggu. So, that's how it is. By the way, quite nice girls here in Legian.
Yes, bro, we are here.
Yes, welcome to Bali, my friend. Yeah, that's quite nice. Okay, this is the entrance to Pullman. It's open, like I said. I will change the camera, I will show you a little bit shot. So basically that's how it look like. And the Pullman is open. The security waiting for you. And this is already Legian Gate, famous Legian Gate, Legian Corner. Pictures around. By the way, somebody covered his bike very nicely. I don't know why. I mean, why it's like that. But is it some tourists making pictures over here with the beautiful porch with the beautiful Land Cruiser actually, which is not so bad. And here is the guy who asking me to buy chicken balls bakso. Check this out, beautiful bakso.
10,000.
Only 10,000.
Yeah. 10,000.
Very good price, very good price.
Yeah.
Local people 5k, bule 10k, but still good, not so bad. Oh, nasi jingo. Only 5k, yeah? Yeah, I think 5k, yeah. Lima Ribo. Yeah, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Very good. That's how it looks, the life. Okay, thank you so much, my friend, yeah? Take care, yeah? I will quickly go show this old Land Cruiser tourists making pictures, which is not so bad. So this is basically Legian Beach, and over there, very far, is the Padma Hotel and it's the Rika, and there the big building over there, there is the Double Six, but it's kind of quiet, I have to say. It's not really busy, and this is facing, yo, what's up, brother? And this is already facing the Kuta, and it's also quiet, but it's beautiful. There are ladies trying to sell something, they are tourists here, and they are trying to sell them. Whew, as you see, it's beautiful weather, it's very hot, like I said, minimum 30 degrees, and I feel sorry to you guys. I know you feel cold in Australia right now. Well, obviously the most people who watching our channel, they are people from Australia, which is very nice for me. I'm very happy with that. Also, many of you guys asking us if our t-shirts like this one, yo, what's up, at the front and at the back, I don't know how to show you. It's logo of the monkeys, or ex Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys. I mean, we are not ex, but logo, the name is the monkeys right now. We are working on the website and on the online store with that, with Winnie, but the merch, our merch, like t-shirts and some other gadgets, will be for sale in the very near future. We'll announce that. Also, people enjoying football, beach soccer, and here they playing something, I don't know what is it here, volleyball, even mix between local and foreigners, which is really nice. So just the guy having normal radler and cola, I mean normal beer and cola, and he's go somewhere to looking into his friends for exchange. I hope so she gonna make something. Anyway, that's how it looks. In Kuta, the beach walk is exactly over there, if you see already the Pull and Bear. Alright, yes! Lucky boy! You are lucky man also! Alright, Radler. Sini, ini. By the way, check this out, his hair. Business. He's working with Thank you, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Thank you. The way, check his out, the tattoo.
The best one.
The best tattoo in Kuta Beach. Definitely.
Man.
This guy is very happy today.
Hi, Grace.
His daughter is coming. I'm his first
Come
customer today. Can you imagine
How are
that?
you today, Grace?
So sad. He have a small daughter.
My daughter, man.
Oh, how are you?
Hi. I'm Papai.
I'm Papa, and daughter is
This is
Grace.
my daughter. This is Grace.
Hello.
Hello, say hi, Grace.
Maybe scared,
Hello.
little bit.
Hi.
A bit shy, yeah.
Bro, I'm surfing out.
He's trying to get the
Yeah.
customers, but a little bit no luck. Only me. Kinda sad. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much, brother. Good with everything, yeah? Yeah, take care. Same to you. Alright, so that was the lovely speech with the guy. He normally, I don't tipping people here, but because of his daughter, he got some wee tip. Feel sorry to the people, you know. Some of them they are more fortunate, some of them they are less fortunate, you know what I mean. Meanwhile, I will go home. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Whoa, and at the end, busy. Woo, really?
Hello, guys.
Yo, what's up?
Hello, guys.
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? No worries.
Hello.
Yo, what's up? Let's go. Okay, see ya tomorrow.